Today I am going to share the hairstyle of Samantha. Do a side partition and take the front section of your hair and just clip the crown section of hair with using any clip and divide this section into 3 parts as shown and braid it. Braid it as you usually do, and take a tail comb and take a small section of hair and braid it in the first braid only. Continue the same thing. Take another small section and add it to the main braid. Do it section by section as shown in the video. After doing this, continue the braid. After doing it, secure it with a bobby pin as shown. You can see how it looks. You just pull up for voluminous look. After doing so, now moving on to the other side, take 2 sections of the hair, small sections, and just twist it. Twist both the sections and roll it. After doing so, secure it with a bobby pin as shown. After doing so, remove the clip which was used to clip the crown section and adjust the bobby pins again, and grab all the hair to one side of your right hand side and make 2 sections, or take 2 sections of the hair, divide it into two sections, and take a small partition from the one side of your hair and add it to the other side. This is a fish braid. If you are new to this hairstyle, it will take some time to learn, so take your time and learn the fish braid. And now take the other section, small section, and add it to the left side of your hair. It looks very tough, but when you will practice it, you'll get it very easily. Continue doing it. You can either go for a normal braid also, no need of fish braid only. But if you do this, it will be very realistic. It will be closer to the original look. So I am doing this. Continue to do the same thing. After completing the braid, secure the braid with a hair tie. and just pull out for a voluminous look. Adjust the pins if necessary. Pull out for the voluminous look so that it will not look flat. This is the main trick to achieve the look. Do the same thing on the other side. Pull up the crown section also and close the gap necessary. Then you're done with hairstyle. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then do like, share and comment. Now you can compare. That's it. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you. See you in my next video.